Hey guys, hope y'all doing good today. So today we're going to talk about Walt Finance and their WEX token and why I think there is a great chance to make a lot of profitability at the current price of 5 cents. So they've recently released an article June 3rd, so 2 days ago, and they said the globalization of WEX, that's why we're announcing now, in crypto terms we're moving to cross-chain to Polygon. So those who know, Polygon is a growing network that's been insane the past couple of months, and first it was Uniswap, then it was the Binance Smart Chain, and then now it's Polygon. So MATIC, as those who may know it, is basically been doing great. Again, the past couple of months, doubled in price, and again, it's been doing really good. The Polygon network has been providing a lot of insane APRs for different farming networks. Now, for Walt Finance, their website, they actually have a lot of high APRs as well. So you can see for staking the WEX token, 173% APR, the WAULTX 66%, and then all these liquidity pairs here, there is over 500% on some of them, the WEX BNB pair for example. Now what they did here with this WEXPoly is they actually are coming out and creating their own WEX token on the MATIC network. They're going to call it WEXPoly, and they're going to basically provide these same liquidity pairings but on the MATIC network, and it's actually going to be a lot of insanely high APRs to start. So basically what they're announcing with this is this cross-chain is basically the first of its kind, and the way this ties into the WEX token and why I think it's going to make a lot of money is because for you to be eligible for this airdrop, they're actually doing an airdrop for WEXPoly, is you have to be staking in their 30-day WEX lock staking pool. So if you click on this link here, it's going to bring you actually to here, this lock staking page, and what you can do is actually connect your wallet, making sure that you're on the Binance Smart Chain when you connect it. So again, if you're not on the Binance Smart Chain, you need to make sure to click to it, and you can search how to add your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, and actually I did a lot of Googling for that, and you can actually see how to do that very easily. But basically what you'll do is you'll go to that lock staking section here, connect your wallet, and then what you'll have to do is stake your token. So your WEX tokens you'll have to stake here, and you can see here unstaking available after, and then it'll tell you the date. So basically it's 30 days from whenever you stake it. Now why time is of the essence here is they say that they will stop staking June 11th. So if you scroll down here, you can see that they say for every 1 WEX you lock up in this vault, you'll receive 0.5 units of WEXPoly. If you assume the price of WEX and WEXPoly will be similar, then that's an APR of 600%, which is amazing. Now we'll scroll down here further and we'll see exactly what the tokenomics are for this. So basically what they're planning to do is no matter how many tokens they release, their starting market cap will be set at 800,000 USD for the WEXPoly token. Now for reference, the market of WEX right now is $68 million. So that's, that is insane amounts. I mean, I believe that's over a 70x from this right here. So it's about an 80x from its current valuation here. And you can see here the airdrop distribution details on June 11th at 3 p.m. GMT. Deposits to the WEX 30-day lockup vault will close. So as the time of making this video, you have 6 days left to buy WEX and stake it in this vault here. Or you can buy WAULTX and stake it in this vault here. So again, it is locked for 30 days. You cannot unstake it until then. And then it says an hour later, they'll do a snapshot of everyone's holdings in the WEX and WAULTX lockup vaults. And then on June 14th, they'll launch WSwap and WFarms on Polygon, and they'll list WEXPoly. So upon listing, 30% of the airdrop to WEXPoly will be released to everyone's identical wallet addresses on the Polygon mainnet. To see your tokens, all you have to do is change the network and your wallet from BSC to Polygon mainnet. So really, all you have to do is, again, you can go to the QuickSwap reference. QuickSwap is basically the Uniswap of the Polygon network, and all you have to do is then from there you'll be airdrop the tokens, and you just switch over here to the MATIC mainnet, and then they'll show up there, and you can just swap your tokens accordingly. So super simple. And then again, you can also stake them on Polygon farms to earn high initial APRs. So when you get 30% of the airdrop to WEXPoly tokens, you can also stake it on their farms, earn insane APR for start. While your other WEX here that you are staking in this 30-day vault is still earning you some APR. So it's farm on farm on farm. So a lot of farming. That's been the biggest focus the past couple of months, is people are getting into the farming to basically try to counteract some of those losses they incur with a lot of these downturns that we've recently had. So definitely something to keep in mind there, and I think this is really big. I think WEX token is going to continue to increase definitely until even this June 11th date right here, till this snapshot date. I do think it will continue to increase. And then also, biggest thing again, it has a 30-day lockup. So anyone who's locking up this WEX, again, there may be a small sell-off after this, but majority of those tokens will be locked up for 30 days. So don't expect a huge drop, but there will be some drop. So yeah, with that, if you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions with that. The Walt Finance Twitter is at @Walt_finance. Then last but not least, let's go ahead and cover some technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and MATIC. So basically we did really good for our technical analysis. You can see here that, again, I haven't changed any of these lines. We bounced very nicely on the 4-hour here for Bitcoin. We bounced off that 35,700 level, and now we are continuing back to the upside. So 37,800 currently. Again, micro resistance around this 40,000 level up here. If we can break that, then I'm looking for 42,100 as the next major resistance, and then from there looking at 46,500. Now if we do decide to fall back from here, then we fall through that about 36,000 support level, looking for us to retest the support of 33,000 from there. But hopefully we can continue to the upside and retest that 40,000 level. Now for Ethereum here, so Ethereum is pretty big, so I did not change any of the drawings here, any of the lines that I had drawn. You can see here perfectly we've been bouncing back and forth, basically bounced nicely off that support of 25.90, and right now we're sitting at 27.90. So I'm looking forward to retest this resistance of 29.20. Possibly we could break that, but again, there's going to be a lot of resistance between 29.30 all the way to 29.80. So I'll go ahead and draw this. So definitely a lot of resistance here in this area, so definitely keep an eye out for that, possibly some take profit areas around up here. But if we do break that, again, retesting this trend line here as resistance, and then continuing further if we break that to 3,200. If we break down, looking at some major support here at about 25.90, so definitely 25.70 to 25.90, possibly some good buy levels all the way down to 24.30. And last but not least, looking at MATIC. So for MATIC, I did draw this huge inverse head and shoulders pattern. We can see it has not really played out, kind of rejected here, and now we did fall in the support. So if you want to look, actually, if you expand this pretty far, you can actually see that this was a descending triangle. So I can draw it, I'll just draw it right there. So you can see here that we bounced off the support, went back to test this trend line, bounced, and then from there, then we finally hit that, and we were not able to break above, and basically we broke to the downside, and from there we could not basically break that. So that support could not hold, and then from there you can see we just bounced down. So right now, from that descending triangle, not looking too good. Biggest thing right now for MATIC is basically if it can hold this support level at that 152 level, which it looks like it did get a little front run there, and possibly retest this resistance here of 177 to about 181. So there is going to be some resistance here. Definitely seeing if we can try to break that, and then really we'll be looking at next this micro resistance of 195 to $2, and then from there all the way up to 230. That's what I'm looking out for. If not, then looking down for that 152 level, and then all the way down possibly to that 122 level. Hopefully we don't get down there. But with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please let me know if you want any questions about technical analysis or any indicators that I have been using in my previous videos, or you want to join my Discord group where I talk about my altcoin picks and upcoming projects. DM me on Twitter up there at the CryptoData, and then or message me on Discord as well. But with that, until next time, thanks for watching.